If your guys' backpack isn't keeping up with you guys, it might be time that you get a new one, right? I wanted to make this video for one of the nicer brands out there that I came across. I've been using the same gym backpack for about 5 years now, and hasn't been really keeping up lately, so I wanted to make this video for the Kung Fu backpack. So we're unboxing it here. And this is the brand new, just released literally this week, guys. So you're looking at a design that hasn't been done before. So they took a risk with this Kung Fu design. I think it kind of matches with the new Karate Kid movie that just came out. And you got, on the bottom, it says Shaolin on it in English and also Chinese. That's really cool. And then, as I mentioned, this is the Kung Fu backpack. So as you can see, the design is all different. It kind of got like a Chinese feeling to it, but also more of like a camper vibe also to it, right? And it's not too big where it's like hanging way over your back like a lot of those camper backpacks, but it's also not too small where you can't carry anything. And I'm sure a lot of you guys know the number one issue I have with my backpack is when it gets hot during the summer, especially, my back starts to sweat and it's just gross, right? Your backpack starts to stink up where you got to wash it. Your back gets all sticky, your shirt gets all sticky, right? It's a horrible feeling that none of us like. So with this, one of the coolest things I like is the breathability. So this actually adds not just comfort, but your back can actually breathe during the summer when it's hot outside. You don't have to worry about feeling sticky, feeling all sweaty, right? So that's really cool. I like the back design. You got some more Chinese writing right here. It says Shaolin Games, Shaolin, Waterfly. So Shaolin Games, I believe, is just a martial arts competition they have in China. So I guess they were sponsored for this. That's really cool. That's a really cool collaboration to have on the Shaolin backpack is the Shaolin Games from China. And as I said, on the front it says Shaolin 2 in Chinese. So you definitely got the Shaolin vibes going. And then also the straps are the second most important thing on a backpack. Especially if you're camping, you don't want your straps to break when you're out in the woods. That's a horrible feeling. And as I was saying, if you're working out, another thing too is making sure your equipment is good. But also a lot of the straps are not located or positioned right or just overall designed right? So where the weight is just really hitting, you feel that pain in your power points, you feel the load on your back. So one thing that's really cool about this backpack is it's designed to where the weight's not going to be overloaded, and as I mentioned, you won't feel hot and sweaty. It's got breathability. So there's a lot of details in here. The material is really high end, right? This is not going to rip, right? This is not going to rip. This is really strong material. You can feel great. You can feel secure. You don't have to worry if you do decide to load this guy up, right, with all your college books, your laptop, things that are really valuable to you. This is not an AliExpress backpack, right? This is something that's very high end, very good material. It's got zippers all over the place, so you can, on the back, they have a security zipper where you can put your credit card, your wallet. You don't have to worry if you live in New York or a busy city, Mexico City or something. You don't have to worry about someone robbing you. Also, they have another zipper on the top end here. You can put more things in here, like pins, all kinds of cool things there. And this whole thing is supposed to open up too. Alright guys, I think we figured it out now. So you come here, you unstrap the top, right? That's really cool. You got a front strap there too. So you unstrap the front side, and then you come around, and this part here unzips. And you got this whole inside, right? You got all kinds of cool departments. Got one here, got one there, got the main one. So you got a lot of departments. You will never run out of space with this bad boy. I think they even have a bungee one here too for an extra layer of security to where you don't have to worry about anything falling out that you put in there. So yeah, you don't ever have to worry about running out of space, guys. This thing's got departments for everything. It's got security, the main department here, the main bag that I was telling you guys about. And that's really cool how, like I said, you get to the main bag from here if you really want to unzip it all the way down, right? And then you can also keep it zipped up like a normal backpack if you want to just have that normal feel while you wear it. And then when you go home, you can actually, unlike most backpacks, you can actually, like I just showed you, take it apart all the way. That's really cool. Don't have to get frustrated when you get home and you can't get to something at the bottom. You can just boom, take down the whole thing. And yeah, like I said, you got the side security straps. You got another department here. So this thing is just loaded with. I mean, you can put, like I said, anything and everything in here. You can put almost half your bedroom in this bag, and it's just secure the whole way through. Like I said, you got multiple security straps. So you definitely have the security. It's definitely got that Shaolin inner piece, or Shaolin piece that you can have peace of mind when you wear this. Also, you get that Shaolin comfort, right, while you wear this. So yeah, you're paying for the comfort. You're paying for the material. Like I said, this is the highest end material you can ask for a backpack. Not only is it durable, but it also feels comfortable. And as I mentioned, you're also paying for the quality, right? So a lot of people ask, why are you going to pay, more than $100 for a backpack? Well, that's exactly why, right? You're going to get something that lasts for not just 3 or 5 years, but pretty much forever, right? And they do come with a warranty, and they also ship internationally, which is really cool. They have a US address, EU address, Japanese address. So as you check them out on Amazon, they have a 4.5-star review on all their products for a reason. Like I said, this definitely isn't an AliExpress backpack. And the coolest thing to end this video on, like I said, guys, is that this model, the Shaolin model, it's really a hybrid thing, right? When you think of like a Shaolin monk or Shaolin, you think of something that's outdoors, but you also think of something that's like indoors in like a temple or some kind of religious building, right? So this is great for, like I said, everyday use, outdoor use. If you want to go hiking or something in the sun where you're going to be sweating, really active, branches are going to hit you, you can feel great no matter where you're at. So check them out, guys. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check them out. And there's also a discount too on there they're running right now, since this bad boy is brand new. And yeah, I hope you learned something new or just enjoyed checking out this really cool style that's really unique. It hasn't been released before. It hasn't really been done before. Like I said, the Shaolin Games actually collaborated and worked with them on this. So yeah, super cool backpack, guys. Have a great day.